Part 2, where we set up your Discord bot in your Discord server, as well as the dashboard UI for your OpenClaw. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to get our Discord bot working. So what we want to do is go to the OAuth here. We're going to go to OAuth URL generator, and we're just going to click on bot. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to click on a couple of these. Basically, it's just what your bot is able to do. You want to make sure you have view channels, bypass slow mode for sure, add reactions, that's a really good one, embed links, attach files, manage your threads, and you can read message history. That's really important. Some of these might work, some of them might not work, but we'll see. Manage your server, manage the channels so you can create new channels. Use slash commands, sure, why not? And what we want to do now is basically just copy this, open a new tab, hit enter, and it's going to, if your Discord's open, it's going to let you connect and make sure all these things are authorized. Cool. Now we're in there. And ClaudeBot should be in here. Or maybe not. We'll see. Oh, it's here. Hi. Okay, so the name of it is, can we change the name of our bot? Username. Okay. What do we call it? Claude bot? That's right. Yeah. Okay. So ClaudeBot should be in here now. Give it a second to reload. But yeah, it's not responding in this test 3 channel. So what we want to do is respond to all messages in the test 3 channel. You might need to copy channel ID, but if this works, you don't have to do it. I need to find the channel first. Let me check what's available. So I'm just going to prep it. Which Discord server? Need the guild ID. Okay, so I have the server ID, Discord server ID, and then it's just going to add the ID in there. Oh, okay, it already has it. Okay, look, now it's going to respond. It has the horse emoji. It's good. Sorry, reply to every new message. So now, it's going to ask you to clarify if you want to set things up. I'm okay for now. One of the things that you can do now is you can actually directly message your ClaudeBot. You can just say hi. And it's going to tell you this thing. It's going to be like your OpenClaw is not set up correctly or something, or your Discord bot's not set up. You just copy this and just paste it in here, and it's going to pair it for you. This lets you directly talk to your Discord bot. Hey. ClaudeBot is typing. Hey, just came online. What's up? This is a really cool thing, and it's really good about the security. The Discord bot is now separate from your OpenClaw TUI. So earlier in the TUI, we basically said your name is ClaudeBot. We set you up as a horse emoji, and we gave you a personality. This Discord bot has no idea about that. You have to manually tell it to use that information, but there's some security issues there because then it has access to your entire OpenClaw, and you might not want that. So what you can do now is 2 options. One, you can set up a brand new personality and everything through the Discord bot itself, and it's going to contain itself, like it's going to have its own memory and it's going to have its own user MD and things. And then the OpenClaw TUI is just going to kind of live separately, and they're not going to be able to communicate with each other. Adds a layer of security, which is really nice. The next, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. So now you have all this set up. You can switch your model, or not your model. You can switch your think to adaptive, which is, I think, kind of cool. It's a new feature where it's going to decide how much thinking it's going to need to do for the different tasks you're asking. And at this point, you can set up, let's call you Claude, and my name is Rich. Your emoji is a mouse. No longer a horse, you're now a mouse. And so we can just set it up. Oh, the next thing we want to do is we want to have our UI dashboard. So what we want to do is do tail scale set tail scale to serve. Just type that in there, and it's going to allow you to access the UI dashboard from the internet without needing to SSH into your server. It's going to do a little research. It's going to find its own ports and stuff. OpenClaw Gateway is running on port 1879. So perfect. This is the URL. And if you don't know where it is, it's right here. It is this URL. It's your tail scale subnet address. So it's the same thing. And what we want to do, we're just going to paste it into our browser here. Doesn't support a secure connection, but that's okay. Oh, and if it doesn't work, you can access it from any device on your Tailscale network. Want me to test it or set it up? Okay, it's not letting me go in, but let's see why. Not secure. Okay. Is it not the same? Oh, you need a HTTPS. Okay. So yeah, you need HTTPS, and then you're going to have this origin not allowed. You basically need to just copy and paste this in here, and it's just going to set this up for you by itself. So just paste it in there. And what it's going to do, it's going to pair everything for you. Give it a minute. Okay, it's going to restart the gateway. In this setup, there's going to be a lot of restarting gateways. So yeah. And the fun thing is, whenever your gateway is restarting, your CloudBot's going to go down. This might also go down. So like if you reload it, it might not work. Okay, so we're reconnected, and we're going to go back in here, and now there's a new message: unauthorized gateway token mismatch auth. So we basically at this point just need to do this one thing. What is my gateway token? Just ask OpenClaw for the gateway token. What is my gateway token? It's going to give us this token. This token is basically, we're just going to paste it in here. That's your Discord token. No, it's not. I want my gateway token. Okay, so my gateway token is here. We're just going to copy this. Keep in mind there's a space here. We need to get rid of that space. But anyway, gateway token, and then that space I said, we're going to backspace it and then connect. Okay, next step, we need to pair this device. Pair the device. But okay, we don't actually need to do that. So what we do want to do is we want to Control C out of there, paste this OpenClaw devices list. It's going to show us all this stuff. And then next thing we want to do is copy this. It's going to be OpenClaw devices approve. And then we're going to go scroll up a little bit. We're going to copy this. We're going to have to copy it in 2 goes because it's split up. Okay. And just hit enter. Okay. It approved it. We can refresh, and now we're connected. So Now we can talk to it directly. It is the mouse. Hey, horse. Okay, so now we're good. And if you really want to like test the whole thing, we can just hit reboot to restart the whole system. It's going to restart the entire server. And the ultimate test now is when it's restarting, once we're back up, we are going to be able to communicate with our bot. Hey. Okay, it's still down. Let's reload this and see. Oh, gateway still closed. That means it's still restarting. Usually it takes maybe 60 seconds depending on how fast your server is. But if you run into any issues, you can always just SSH back in there. Check if the status works. Oh, we have an issue. What is the issue? There is no issue. Now it's working. Okay, we just needed time. So now we're back up. I was impatient. Sorry, guys. And so we're good. And that is the full setup for OpenClaw. Thanks, guys.